Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. So today I just built an entire professional website in under 60 seconds without writing a single line of code. And in this video I'll show you exactly how you can create a professional website step by step even if you have zero technical experience. The tool that I'm going to use is called B12. It's an AI powered website builder that can generate a complete professional website in seconds, including the structure, content and layout. And before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description of this video to get started with B12. So let's start. So first of all, I will open B12 on my web browser, and here on the B12 main page you can see the prompt section. All we need to do here is enter the name of our business and a short description of what we want to showcase on the website. So for example, I want to create a website for my medical clinic. Name of the clinic is Sam Tube Clinic and Care. The site should showcase the clinic's services and provide easy ways for patients to book appointments or contact the clinic. So with this short description, I will send this prompt. Once I send this prompt, B12 will start generating the website automatically, and I am not doing any editing, so you can see the exact time it takes. And just like that, within a few seconds, the website is generated. So here you can see we have the home page with a header and the clinic overview. If I scroll down, here is the about section. If I scroll down more, you can see the services section with all these images. Then we have the get in touch section along with the working hours. So everything is already professionally structured, ready to use, and looks great. And now let's talk about customization. What I really like about B12 is that everything is already structured and you can customize the entire website without writing a single line of code. So on the left panel, we have a prompt section. From here, you can simply write a prompt if you want to customize a specific part of the website. So instead of editing everything manually, you can just describe what you want and B12's AI will update this section for you. So for example, I want to add a blog page on this website. So I need blog post ideas. So first of all, I will ask AI agent to suggest 10 blog post ideas for me, and then I will send this prompt. So the AI will start generating the ideas for me, and here you can see it is asking me to create a blog page for this website. So here I will write yes, and then I will send this prompt. So AI will start analyzing my prompt and then it will start adding a blog page on this website. So you just have to wait for a few seconds. So here you can see a new blog page has been added on my website. Now I can completely edit this blog page and I can add more blog posts inside this blog page. And now let's talk about customization by AI assistant tool. Now for example, I want to customize this about section. So I will select it, and here we have this AI assistant tool, and here we have this option for regenerate content. So I will select it, and then AI will start regenerating the content for me. So here you can see AI regenerate this image. Same way you can regenerate other section for the same website. So with each regeneration gives you a different design. So for example, I want to regenerate this home section. So you can see you can try multiple styles until you find the one you like without doing any manual design work. The same thing applies to other sections, like you can customize the services section, you can customize this get in touch section, you can also customize the header as well. The next feature is about manual customization. So just above the prompt section, you will find the menu option when I select it, I can manually customize the entire website. So for example, I will select pages and then I will select home. So here it will show me all the sections for my website. Now for example, I want to customize the services section. So I will select the services option from here and then I can customize the services section. Now for example, I want to add a new service. So I will select add new service and here I have to write the service name. Then I have to write service details and then here I can generate the service. The next thing is I can also change these images as well. So for example, I will select this first image and then here you can see I have different options available. So for example, I will select this replace option and here you can see I have a lot of options available. So from here I can select any image. So for example, I want to add this image. So I will select it and here you can see a new image has been added to my services. I can also use AI assist option and then I can add image description and then I can generate a new image using AI. You can also change the layout for this services section. So if I scroll down here, we have this appearance section. So I will select this regenerate option and then you can completely change the layout for the services section. So as you can see, all the customization options are available in one place, making it very easy to fine tune the website exactly the way you want. The next feature I want to show you is the mobile version of the same website. With B12, you can instantly switch to the mobile view and see how your website looks on a phone. So I will select this mobile view. As you can see, everything is already optimized and looks clean and professional on mobile devices. What's great is that you can also customize the mobile version just like the desktop version. So for example, I want to customize the about section. So I will select it and from here you can customize the about section manually. You can also use AI tool. So here we have this AI assistant tool. So I will select it and then here you can see you can edit the section, you can regenerate content, you can also regenerate layout. For example, I will select regenerate content. So AI will start regenerating the content for the mobile view. So here you can see I can simply select the section and edit it directly. And now let's talk about dashboard. So I will select menu and then I will go back from here. So here we have the dashboard section. So from the B12 dashboard, you can manage everything related to your website in one place. You can work on your design and logo. You can confirm and edit your services. You can also access payments and invoicing. You can also access powerful tools like scheduling. So inside the scheduling section, you can connect your own calendar so appointments are synced in real time. So I will select this get started option and then I will select this connect option and here you can see multiple options to connect your calendar. So here you can see you can connect your Google Calendar, you can connect iCloud Calendar, you can also access Office 365, Exchange or Outlook. This means any appointment booked through the website will automatically appear in your personal calendar. This makes managing appointments very easy and professional, especially when you are handling multiple bookings every day. The next feature I want to talk about is called partner offers. So inside B12 dashboard, we have partner offers available. So partner offers give you access to exclusive discounts and free credits for popular business tools that many professionals already use. These are tools related to marketing, communication, analytics, design, and business operations. So these tools are categorized into different sections. For example, I select marketing and here I can see multiple tools that help with email marketing, CRM, analytics, and growth. The next feature is about B12 support. So if you don't want to build everything on your own, B12 also gives you the option to hire experts who can help you with your website. You can work with professionals who specializes in copywriting, design, and SEO. From here, you can schedule a consultation with a B12 expert and explain your goals and get personalized help to improve your website. This is especially useful if you want professional result without hiring an external agency. The next feature is the domain. So inside B12 dashboard, you will find the option to add custom domain. From here, you have two choices. You can either get a new domain, which B12 can help you set up, or you can connect a domain you already own. Once everything is ready, the final step is to publish the website. So I will click on the publish option, and within just a few seconds, the website goes live. As you can see, the website is now fully available online with all pages, features and sections working properly. Everything you need for a professional website is already set up and ready to use. The next feature is about B12 Inside Chatgpt. One of the coolest features of B12 is that it's not only a standalone website builder, it also has a version inside ChatGPT that makes creating a website even easier. In fact, B12's website generator GPT is currently the most popular GPT for website creation inside ChatGPT. So how to access B12 inside ChatGPT? First of all, you have to open ChatGPT, and then from the left panel you have to select apps, and then from the top right corner you have to select GPTs, and then you have to search for B12, and the first option is website generator. So you have to select it, and then you have to select start chat. So now you can use B12 directly inside ChatGPT to generate a complete professional website in just a few seconds. And now let's talk about pricing. So you can create a basic informational website completely for free and launch it on a B12 branded domain at no cost. But if you want a more professional website with a custom domain and powerful tools to help you grow online, you can upgrade to their basic plan. So this plan starts at just $1 per month for the first 3 months, and after that it's $49 per month. For most users, this is the best value and more than enough to build a professional online presence. If you prefer, you can also go for a yearly plan which costs less overall. And don't forget, you will find the link in the description of this video, so make sure to check that out and save some money. So if you want to build a professional website in minutes without coding, without technical headaches, and with AI doing most of the work for you, B12 is a great option. You get website creation and customization all in one place. If you are serious about building an online presence, I highly recommend giving it a try. Check the link in the description and start building your website today. So this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.